subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Reno 5 and Reno 5 Pro early this month, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Oppo Reno5 Pro Plus, and it is the higher variant of this series. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset paired with Adreno 650 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX766 sensor plus 16MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 13MP telephoto lens and 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it also supports Super Anti-Shake 3.0 technology for stable video recording. At the front, it has an 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with ColorOS 11.1 skin on top. The device comes backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with Dolby Atmos technology for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.9 by 72.5 by 7.99mm and it weighs around 184 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 4,499 Chinese yuan. The pre-orders for the smartphone will begin from January 18th, and it will go on sale in the country starting from January 22nd in Floating Night Shadow and Galaxy into a Dream Color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 5 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.